Hi Upreach, I'm Jasmine Boyd and I'm a final year student studying biomedical sciences at the University of Bristol. And I have three main career pathways that I'm keen on after graduating. The first being to become a qualified clinical scientist, and that would be mainly in either the directions of fertility, such as an embryologist, or in infectious disease, such as an immunopathologist or something to do with viruses. I'm not quite sure just yet. But after some research, I found this really great program run by the NHS called the STP, and this is Scientist Training Program. This is a 3-year program in which I will qualify as a clinical scientist, as well as getting a fully funded master's. However, this highly sought after program is obviously very highly competitive, so I actually got in contact with the Bristol alumni who advised me that I probably need some more practical experience or to do a master's, as with the pandemic I have very limited experience. The second option would be to go into the industry or commercialisation of life sciences, and I believe the best way to do this would be through career fairs in my final year. However, I'm not quite sure how that would work. I'm assuming I would network in these career fairs and then get an industry placement that way. And the final option would be to actually switch my degree to an integrated master's, and that would be to do a Master's of Scientific Research. This is quite a new option brought in, I think, last year, so I believe we'll be getting a talk with more information in September. However, this would provide me with more experience in lab research, as well as the application into the business side and commercialisation. However, as you can probably gathered, I am quite unsure of what's available to me and what I actually want to do. So I believe this mentorship would be invaluable really in providing me with both insight and, more importantly, direction. And so my progress towards my ambitions, so far I've gained work experience with an embryologist in the Royal Victoria Hospital in Belfast. I've also undertaken work shadowing in Rantox Health Clinic in Belfast, which is to do with diagnostic testing. And most excitingly, I am currently about to start a 1-month full-time placement with a fertility research clinic in Belfast, which is actually being fully funded by the university under their SME COVID scheme. And as well as practical experience, I've also been trying to expand my knowledge and options by achieving the Bristol Plus Award, and also through interaction with the career service where I attend many webinars. As mentioned, I've been in contact with Bristol alumni who's completed the SCP, and that's provided me with some connections, networking, just a bit of insight really into my options. And finally, I'm employed by the university as an events ambassador as well as a widening participation ambassador, and this has improved my transferable skills in public speaking, organisation and differential communication between academics as well as potential applicants. And so why am I an ideal candidate? On top of the skills mentioned provided by being an events ambassador and a widening participation ambassador, I also have built my skills and knowledge through my diverse range of experience within hospitality, customer service and volunteering. So my hospitality experience as a waitress in numerous restaurants has enabled me to develop my skills in communication, where I build rapport with regular customers, as well as time management and reliability. My experience as a customer service assistant, who was actually hired during the pandemic, in these difficult times I had to become very adaptable and really use my initiative to solve any issues, especially with my limited training. And I have strong leadership skills, as shown by my 2 years as a volunteer assistant coach in both hockey and trampolining. And I have attained my bronze, silver and gold Duke of Edinburgh award, highlighting my resilience and commitment. My ability to work in a team is showcased by my 9 years of playing hockey, both for club, school and now university. And this variety of work experience that I've undertaken, ranging from part-time jobs within hospitality industry through to experiences in work shadowing within the scientific field, as well as coaching younger age groups, really showcases my ability to adapt to a range of environments and communicate with various groups of people of different backgrounds. But overall, as you can probably tell, I am quite unsure of what's available to me and what I want to do, and I believe this would really be an invaluable opportunity to get that leadership, like mentorship and direction of what I can do. So thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy this. Many thanks.